Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start by talking about setting up your YouTube, recording your YouTube stuff if you decide to go that direction. Another suggestion for web development is to set up this channel. I mentioned that before. And the videos that I like are the ones that have the image of the person inside the video as they're doing their activities at the same time. So I did a little digging and I found a program that's free, absolutely free. It's called OBS, and that stands for Open Broadcaster Software. So far it seems pretty easy to use. The video I watched, the tutorial, which I'm going to post down below, so if you want to learn how to do this, the link will be in the description. It was very clear, and the guy said it's very powerful. So far, I agree. The guy's his name is Kevin Stratvert. I hope I said that right. Anyway, so this is kind of what it looks like when you first get it set up. And I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this and get to the main topic for the day. So today I'm going to be talking about my first website. So it was a website I created. I did a couple other sample ones, but they weren't nearly as good and really not as helpful as I think this one is. This really was the first website I did that really came out nicely. So there was a guy at my work. He wanted to sell quail eggs on the internet, and so he wanted a website for that. So we sat down a few times, discussed some designs, talked about what they needed, and I came up with this design. And it came out looking really good because this really is my first real attempt at a website. It came out looking pretty good. You got your links up there. They're all not. They don't go to anything. I just made the landing page to see if they like it. I made it so you could see through the background there, and made these price lists on the side. And I just like this picture in the middle. And this is like a little thing I got from another website. Healthy eating. Eat natural quail eggs. You will look better, think better, and look better. So, and I have an order now buttons over here. So I wanted to be a little different, so that's why I went this route. So it came out looking pretty good. I really like this design, and really, it's probably the most appealing one I've done so far, the very first one I worked on. But that said, here is the code, which also I want to mention before we get into looking at the code, that the first thing you probably want to use or install on your system for web development is some type of code editor. There are others out there. The one that I settled on, and a lot of other people have suggested in different, all over the place throughout the internet to use, is going to be Visual Studio Code. It's very useful. It has, it kind of color codes everything for you as you input your information. It has a nice presentation to it. I really like how it looks. It shows you the colors of things, when you put stuff in. It gives you the color right there. So I will be going through this website in detail in the next video, but I just wanted to give you an overview and what it looked like in this video. So that's probably it for today. I want to try to keep these videos fairly short and do them more regularly. So hopefully this gives you kind of a flavor for the things you're going to be looking at. Alright, take care everyone. I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. I will find a way to cut off this program at the beginning and the end later on, probably by the next video. So anyway, hopefully it's not too, annoying for you guys. Take care.